Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal, loaded with features. Features also include anti-lock brakes, traction control, keyless entry, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2013 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, fog lamps, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.